welcome to my current morning routine. How precious is Sugar, you guys? Like, I love him so much. I just adore him. I always kind of like make some time in the morning for some cuddles, and this is just like our little us time. He's so adorable. I love him. So once I actually wake up, I do kind of check my phone first, but I do not go on my phone anymore. I used to do this all the time where I would spend like half an hour to an hour scrolling through my phone, and I realized that like all of my energy would just be sucked up by social media, and began to be so like unmotivated, and just it wasn't good for my mental health. So I don't go on my phone anymore except for the weekends, but during the weekdays, no phone. First thing I do is put on my robe because I love doing my skincare in my robe, and these are my beige robes. For those of you guys who don't know, I created my own brand beige, and I sell satin robes. This is the color pearl, and I'm completely obsessed. You guys, these are the best, most buttery smooth, lightweight robes you will ever put on your body. It is so comfortable, yet it gives you such a luxe feel. Like, you can just see how confident I feel in it. Then the first thing I do is when I get in the bathroom, open up the window. Like, I need that natural light. I need to see the greenery. And as you can see, my hair is not styled, so we're definitely gonna have to do that after, but I'm just putting it in a low ponytail right now. And I use a little silk scrunchie because, you know, it just helps instead of having to put a really tight hairband on. But I'm just putting it away so I can do my skincare. So now, of course, I am brushing my teeth. I got this electric toothbrush from Amazon, and I honestly love it so much, you guys, and it's very affordable. Like, I used to have an electric toothbrush that was double the price before, and this one is literally just as good, and it's so affordable. So on to my skincare routine. I want to give a huge shout out to Pharmacy, who is sponsoring today's video. I have been obsessed with their skincare for years. I've spent so much of my own money on it. So this is the Green Clean, you guys. This is one of the best cleansers ever. It's actually a cleansing balm. It's perfect for removing your makeup as well. It removes any stubborn makeup, but I also use it as my morning cleanser. It kind of has this like very smooth balm texture. Like I said, it removes all residue, any SPF that's lingering, or any pollution in your skin. Also, something that's really cool is it actually has papaya enzymes in it, which helps to gently exfoliate your skin at the same time. So I love that that's kind of included in there. Also, I want to mention, I love that Pharmacy's packaging is 100% recyclable and made from recycled materials, which is really cool. So this is the Deep Sweep. I am obsessed with the Deep Sweep. This is actually my second bottle of it. I've noticed such an improvement in my pores since using this. I used it a couple times a week. You can use it morning or night, as long as you follow up with sunscreen in the morning if you do use it. I am super blackhead prone, and I literally get so many blackheads on my nose, and whenever I'm using this, I'm telling you, my skin is super clear. I've noticed such an improvement in making sure that it keeps my blackheads to a minimum. So it does have 2% salicylic acid, which is really what helps clean out your pores, and this also has the same papaya enzymes as the Green Clean, so it's really going to, again, make sure to gently exfoliate your skin. It also has moringa extract, which is perfect for removing impurities in your skin. So if you're like me and your skin is really infected by environmental factors, this is huge. Pharmacy is literally one of my favorite skincare brands, so it's an absolute honor to work with them. I'm gonna leave my links down below for you guys if you're interested in shopping some Pharmacy skincare. So now I'm just moving on to the rest of my skincare routine. You can follow up with your serum, your moisturizer, and make sure you guys are wearing SPF all year round. Like, literally doesn't matter, summer, winter, fall, all year round. And especially if you're gonna use that Deep Sweep from Pharmacy, then make sure you're following up with some SPF. Okay, my favorite chapstick ever, the Pharmacy Honey Lip Balm. Incredible, been using it for years. I literally have like 10 stocked up in my drawer right now. And then, of course, putting on some deodorant. So I'm brushing out my brows. I have a little brow hack video. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely check that out. Also, I shower at nighttime, so you guys will kind of notice I don't shower in this video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are a morning shower person or a night shower person. And now I'm just doing my hair. So I don't do my hair like full on like this every single morning, but because I washed my hair the day before, it needed to be styled for the week. So I just went ahead and straightened it super quick and easy. It's literally gonna go in a ponytail after because I'm going for a walk. So I'm not gonna wear my hair, you know, all straight and down during my walk. So I just literally put it up after, but it needed to be styled for the week, you know? I like to still style it and put in effort. It makes me feel good about myself. If I just leave it all like crazy and wild, I don't feel good, you know? Love this hair oil so much. I put that all over the ends and the middle. And like I said, it's going right in a ponytail. I just feel more comfortable going on a walk with my hair like up, you know, especially if there's like a little bit of wind. It's just too much, especially when you have long hair like I do. So now I'm just getting dressed for the day. One of the things I always do is check the weather, of course, because I need to see, you know, do I wear shorts? Do I wear leggings? Do I wear a sweater? Whatever, you know? So today was kind of hot. So I decided to wear a crop top and some Lululemon Align legging or shorts. And the top is from Set Active. Going downstairs, grabbing some water is literally the first thing I do. Like, I'm hella thirsty in the morning and I drink so much water in a day. I literally drink like about 3 liters. And then the first thing I do too is take my vitamins. Literally, I have been on point with taking my vitamins for almost a year now, and I feel so incredible. Then I always grab a snack. I don't eat breakfast, you guys. Like, I just don't. I just grab a snack, and I take this opportunity to get in some healthy fats because I realized I wasn't eating very many healthy fats before. So I'll usually have a slice of cheese, some yogurt, an egg, or some fruit. Like, either of those, I'll kind of have that in the morning, and then that's it. I just go for my walk or do my workout. Now, I work out like 4 or 5 days a week, but today was my off day, so I actually didn't work out on this day, but I go for a walk every single day. So having a snack before, especially healthy fats, helps a lot, and I make sure to drink my full glass of water before my walk because that just helps get it in. And of course, I'm getting Sugar Baby ready for our walk. I always take him and he adores our walks so much. Don't worry, you guys, I have water in my little fanny pack. I don't know if you can see my fanny pack there. Yeah, I always keep water for him, and I just strap him up, put his leash on, I always wear my sneakers because I need like good foot support because we literally go for a full 1 hour walk. I love our walks so much. Like I said, I go every single day, and if it's not good weather, then I, just go on my treadmill, but this helps me so much mentally and physically just feel good. It's something I started in like May, and I'm definitely going to continue doing it. Even through the winter, I'm going to go on my treadmill. Then when I come back, I have another glass of water. That way I can already get 1 liter in by the time it's not even noon yet, And then I open up my blinds. This is something I do every morning. Like, I just want to see the greenery. I want to see the sky. I want to see nature, and I want to get that natural light. Then I do the dishes. This is something I've mentioned to you guys that's so important, is empty your dishwasher first thing in the morning so that throughout the day, you can put your dirty dishes in the dishwasher rather than in the sink. And this just is one less chore on your list. You don't have to actually do dishes because they go straight in the dishwasher. So yeah, it also keeps your kitchen looking clean too. And after I'm done putting the dishes away, there's always like 1 or 2 kind of dishes from the night before if like you were up late eating or something like that. So I'll put the little bits of dishes that were there from the night before in the dishwasher, and then that's it. The dishwasher is empty for the day, and you can put the dishes directly in there and leave your sink empty. Then I'm going to start working for the day. The first thing I always do is take a look at my to-do list. You guys, having my week organized in my little to-do list, I realized it wasn't focused now that I'm editing, but I always organize my to-do list by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and sometimes Saturday. And it just helps keep me so focused and organized and productive. And today's to-do list was to prepare the vlog. So this vlog went up this day, and I was just kind of finishing editing it. Okay, so that is pretty much it, you guys. I figured I would come on here and do the outro myself instead of voiceover. Don't mind, we got some mess in the background. I gotta put some stuff in the basement. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the morning. By this time, it's like literally almost 12, and now is when I will have my first like meal of the day, and it's pretty much just like lunch. I don't really eat breakfast unless I'm filming like an actual sit-down video or something like that, where, I need to eat so that I'm full for that. Then I'll have breakfast, but other than that, like on a daily basis, I don't eat breakfast. I have a little snack, and then now, like I said, I'm about to go make some lunch. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing my morning routine. I know summer is like, almost over, but I don't know about you guys, but for me, summer is not over until the leaves are falling, honey. And I gotta put a sweater on. Like, the weather is basically when I gauge it. It could be September and it's still summer in my eyes. As long as the sun is out and beaming, like, I'll still keep up with this routine, especially like doing my workouts in my garage, going for my walks, especially that portion of this routine. I will still keep it up all the way up until like November. And then once like November, December hits, I'll start like indoor workouts, going on the treadmill for walks and stuff like that. So I figured it's still relevant. I could still show you guys my little summer routine. Regardless, this has just been my current go-to morning routine, and it makes me feel so good, like mentally and physically. I feel so good just being super active in the morning and then getting all my work done. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.